are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are the way you smile, the way you laugh, the way I can't help but catch your joy, your joy. Metaphorically, this song just says one thing: I love you. That's what I'm telling you. Oh, and there's no irony because I see
Bird Hall at Pampered Pets.
Hey guys, it's me HamsterAllStars47 here, and today's YouTube video is just going to be my haul at Pampered Pets. And this unfortunately wasn't a personal pet haul, it was for my birds. Not pet birds, I don't have any pet birds, I mean the birds that come and visit my garden as long as the squirrels. So I'm just going to show you guys what I brought. So yeah, okay, inside my bag first, I bought 2 fat balls, and these were 26p. Unfortunately I couldn't afford a big tub because that's what we really need, so I just bought 2 of these. So that's about 32p together then. Then we needed to get some more suet blocks, so I just bought a triple pack of feathered friend even. Suet seeds, and there's 3 times 320 grams. So you do the maths, that's 960 grams of suet blocks I've got for $4.99, which is pretty good. And obviously they feed as a treat. Yeah, I've got 3 of them because we have 2 little crates of these going, and our little baby blue tits and our robins love these. And we don't have any more, so I need to buy some more. So that was $4.99. So altogether I roughly spent about £7. So that was my haul at Pampered Pets. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And I am still doing rabbits and dog videos. They will be on the way, but I just thought I'd do a video on this. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, I'll see you next time, bye!